Hello and happy Friday. Join us as we bring you the latest on the markets today. Here are today's financial headlines.
Amazon stock fell 4.4% on Thursday to $222.69 as investors sold off tech shares ahead of its earnings report, driven by concerns over heavy AI-related capital spending. The German stock market index lost about 0.5% on Thursday, amid concerns about overvalued markets, massive AI investments, and worrying U.S. employment numbers. WTI crude oil futures fell below $63 per barrel on Friday, extending losses from the previous session, as attention remained on scheduled Iran-US talks later in the day. The euro traded at around $1.18 this Friday, recovering modest early session losses after the European Central Bank left interest rates unchanged as expected. Bitcoin plunged about 14% in the past 24 hours to below $66,000, its lowest level in over a year, as investors pulled back amid slowing adoption and broader risk-off sentiment in financial markets. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 1:30 p.m., the unemployment rate in the U.S. is expected to increase, after reaching 4.4% in December. At 1:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the non-farm payrolls of January, following 50,000 jobs in December. Monday's major economic events. At 12 p.m., Mexico to release the annual inflation rate for January, following 3.7% in December. At 11:30 p.m., Australia will release figures for the consumer confidence change of February, following -1.7% in January.
And that's it for this week's Market News Roundup presented by Skyriss. Thanks for joining us, and see you again next week as we bring you the latest market news and insights. We wish you a great weekend.